guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dee and I am a thrifter and a reseller. I sell on YouTube every Saturday afternoon at 3 o'clock Eastern, and I sell on Mercari and eBay. Today's video is something a little different. We are taking a trip, y'all. Yes, we are. We are going for a ride on the Peddlers train. This is a drop sale. It is pre-recorded, and there are several other YouTubers that are participating in this sale. So basically, every half hour, a new YouTuber will be uploading a sale video. So before me, you would have been watching Patrick, the Trusty Huckster Mercantile. After me, you're gonna take the train on over and visit David from Vintage Uprising, Texas. Speaking of Texas, Tammy and David, Vintage Uprising, Texas, are the sponsors or the hosts of this Peddlers train sale. So thank you so much to them for hosting and inviting me to participate. So guys, today I have 21 items to offer you. So what we're going to do is I will show you an item. I will describe it. I will give you a price for the item and a number. All you need to do if you would like to win that item is enter the number of the item in the comment section below the video. If you're the first person to enter that number, you will win that item. It is that simple. So, without further ado, let's get into this sale. Happy Father's Day also to all of you dads out there, and happy Father's Day to the moms out there who are also dads. My dad is celebrating a heavenly Father's Day. All right, guys, my first item is this framed, I believe it's a postcard. It was done by the Frame Gallery. I can't read what it says on the bottom, but it is for Fanny Farmer Candies. And I just think it's so cute, and I especially love the frame. So if you are interested in this, this is $12, and it's number 20. $12, number 20. My next item is this beautiful, sort of a mercury glass type picture frame. Oh, I just think it's so pretty. It is a 5x7. It is made by Country Living, and it has the hangers on the back as well as your, yeah. The name has slipped my memory. Isn't that a surprise? Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. The easel. But yes, it is a beautiful frame. It's very well made, as you can see. A very well made frame. So if you would like this item, it is $12 and it's number 18. $12, number 18. My next item is this pair of beautiful Shannon Crystal Lotus Flower taper candle holders. These are absolutely stunning, guys. And there are no chips or flea bites that I could see on any of the petals. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I will show you the sticker on the bottom if I can see which side is up. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it does say Shannon Shannon Crystal. These, my goodness, can you just imagine these in the sunlight? Oh my, your whole room would light up with prisms. Oh, so for this gorgeous set, they are $20, number 17. $20, number 17. Next I have, I just love this item. I just cracked up right in the middle of the Goodwill, is this cup. Wicked. And then on the other side, it says, "Don't make me call the flying monkeys." It's in fabulous condition. I absolutely love it. It's made by Mud, the company Mud, hand painted by Lori VZ. And this mug is $12 and it's number 3. $12, number 3. This next item is this cute little Mexican pottery pig. He's just so cute. He's got a little flower on his behind. There is your Mexico signature on there. He is very tiny, but very cute. He is $10, number 8. $10, number 8. My next item is this vintage Hazel Atlas nut chopper. It has the piece of wood in the bottom. And it is, it's about 1.5 cups. And you just pounce it upside down. Up and down, D. Words are hard today. And chop your nuts or your herbs or whatever you have in here that you want to chop. This is $16 and it's number 21. $16, number 21. I was going to try and show you the Hazel, there it is, the Hazel Atlas mark on the bottom. My next item, this is a beauty. You know how I am with the EAPG Cruets. Well, this one is beautiful. Look at this. Nice size, too. There's no issues on the stopper. No chips, cracks, or flea bites anywhere. Beautiful piece. I have a cruet in my bathroom, actually, that I put mouthwash in. So you could use these for a lot of different things. You could put bubble bath in them, oil, vinegar, I mean, you know, salad dressing, whatever. This is $18 and it's number 2. $18, number 2. This next item, these are really cool. I like the shape, and they do remind me of Fiesta ware. I don't know if they are or not, but look at these cool salt and pepper shakers. They're a beautiful orange color, and they both have their stoppers, their rubber stoppers, and they do remind me of Fiesta ware. So whether they are, I don't know. But if you would like these very cool salt and pepper shakers, they are $10, number 9. $10, number 9. Next I have this adorable, oh my gosh, this adorable little ghost pin. He's plastic, and I just love this little guy. It doesn't say who makes it. Oh, no, it does. It's Fun World. Fun World. But anyways, he's on the older side. You could see it, there's the C clasp right there on the back. I don't know why this doesn't want to focus for me today. But this little guy is $8, number 12. $8, number 12. I also have a beautiful 9 West ladies watch. It has beautiful, to me, they look like cherry blossoms, and a wonderful mesh band, which is very comfortable. This beautiful watch is $14, and it's number 19. $14, number 19. My next item is this vintage. This is made by Corningware, and the pattern is Spice of Life. And it's this awesome tea kettle. P104 is the number, and it's a 6-cup tea kettle. It's in fantastic condition. There's the inside. And I will buy these all day long, every day, if I can find them at a good price. Any of the Corningware products. This is $16, and it's number 1. $16, number 1. My next item is this very awesome enamel butter dish, white and black. Fantastic condition. You could fit a whole pound of butter in here, which my great-grandma always had a full pound of butter in her Hazel Atlas crisscross butter dish, which I recently found at the 10 Mile Yard Sale and am keeping for myself. But anyways, this is a wonderful butter dish. It's in fabulous condition. And it is $16, number 7. $16, number 7. I have a piece of Fenton today. This beautiful amber hobnail. I'm going to call it a little nappy dish. You could put nuts or candy in there, whatever you would like. It is free of any chips, cracks, or flea bites. There's your size reference. It's got the beautiful kind of like a sawtooth top to it. And this is $14, number 4. $14, number 4. Next up, I have this wonderful vintage peg rack. Red with beautiful leafy vines and flowers on it. It has these type of hangers on the back to hang it on your wall. Great, great piece. Some of these are loose. Whether they can be tightened or not, I really don't know. But they're not going to fall out, okay? Just so you know. This is $16, number 10. $16, number 10. I have another really adorable, this is a handcrafted piece that was made in Burtonsville, Maryland. I wonder if Vinny is familiar with Burtonsville. You will get this adorable Halloween pin. Look, it's got a little piece of candy, wrapped candy. And it also comes with a pair of candy corn earrings. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute is this? I love it. This is $16, number 11. $16, number 11. I have quite a few pieces of jewelry today, guys. This is actually an Avon piece. And how beautiful is this? Oh my word, I absolutely love this brooch. I'm going to say it's about 2 inches tall or thereabouts. And it does say Avon, and it has your rollover clasp on there. And it has like a silvery color pearl and a regular color pearl. This beauty is $12, number 13. $12, number 13. My next item is this little mini bud vase, which I just think is the cutest thing. I have never seen one this tiny. I have always found the very tall ones. It's got the little fingers on the top. I mean, how stinking cute is this? This is about 5 inches tall. I mean, it's just awesome. This little vase is $10 and it's number 5. $10, number 5. No chips, cracks, or flea bites. This next item is a gorgeous necklace with blue stones and clear. And, I'm sorry, not clear. It's dark blue and light blue. And it also comes with matching earrings. And it's a silver, like an antique silver tone. Just gorgeous. So if you would like this pretty set, it is $16, number 15. $16, number 15. Next up, I have another beautiful piece of jewelry. This beautiful purple, it's a purple stone, and it is silver and gold tone. The chain is gold tone. And it also comes with the matching bracelet, which I hooked up crooked, sorry. The matching bracelet and matching earrings. And I had some chain left over when I measured this out for the pendant. So I actually made another bracelet to go with it. And it matches the chain. It's just a little bit larger link. This bracelet measures 7 3/4. And I believe this one is 8 inches. Yes, 8 inches. For this set, it is $25 and it's number 14. $25, number 14. All right, my next item is this beautiful 3-piece tea set with the shamrock, with a white background and a mint green bottom on the cup. And then you have your saucer for your cup and your dessert plate. So it's the 3-piece set. It is made by Queen's Fine Bone China, and it is the Rosina China Company, England. And it is perfect condition, no issues whatsoever. It's a beautiful set. And it is $20 for the 3 pieces, and it's number 6. $20, number 6. My last item is this beautiful silver jewelry tray, perfume tray. Well, you could use it for anything. You could put whatever you want on top of here. But it's really, really cool. Love the color. It's like a pewter color, and it's got a very pretty pattern on it. And this very, very pretty tray is $16, number 6. $16, number 6. Okay, everyone, that is all I have for you today. Do not forget to hop on that train and go on over and visit David from Vintage Uprising, Texas when you are done with my video. Again, thank you so much to Vintage Uprising, Texas for hosting this sale, and thank you so much for inviting me. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. My next item is a Hazel Atlas piece, and it is this vintage chopper. What in the world happened there? It's going to be one of those days today, guys.